how to get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can get someone off your best friend list on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to get someone off from your best friend list on Snapchat, let's say I just go ahead and open the Snapchat application here. Once I launch the Snapchat app, if I just come to this page here, and then if I just go to my friends section, you'll be able to see a couple of best friends. Now, in order to remove your best friend, you have to understand how they were added in the first place. Snapchat adds someone to your best friends list when they notice that you've been constantly exchanging snaps with each other more frequently than the other friends that you have on Snapchat. That's when after a couple of days, Snapchat will automatically add them to your best friends list. And this, in order to go ahead and then remove someone from best friends list, you have to use the algorithm to your own advantage, which means that you have to simply stop exchanging snaps. Once you stop exchanging snaps, hopefully within 1 or 2 days, they're going to be automatically removed from your best friends list on Snapchat. Now, if that is too much of a long process for you, there's another thing that you can do. In that case, you can simply unfriend them. But when you unfriend them, they're not only going to be removed from your best friends list, they're also going to be removed from your friends list. And in that case, you have to add them as a friend again, or you can also just try to block and unblock them. To do this, just long press on the chat, tap on manage friendship, tap on remove friend. This will remove them as a friend as well as also your best friends. So this way you can hopefully get someone off your best friends on Snapchat. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.